at 21 and 10 at 22. You can't walk a mile up in my shoe. I ain't nothing like you. You can't walk a mile up in my shoe. You don't do what I do. I'm the living truth, the living proof. You could be whatever, never wanted fame.
Yo, what's up guys? We're on the golf course in Palm Springs right now. So, I brought my light beat to Palm Springs. Bro, it's so fun. We got a golf course, look at this view. Got this jump. We're on sumos, so we're not doing anything to the grass. If anything, the golf carts do more because they don't have supermotos. Pretty much polishing the grass, if anything. Like, look how deep these golf cart lines are. And I'm not leaving no trace. And I'm not gonna mess it up, like do donuts or... So, we rented a house on the actual golf course. So like, I have full access to it. Like, our backyard is the golf course. It's crazy. Oh shoot, dip. Look how nice this is. Look at that view. A little bit, we're gonna go to the front. There's like a full pond right here. Look at this. Looks so nice. Bro, Palm Springs is so nice. I had to come out when the sun's about to set because it's so hot out. Like right now it's still 100 degrees. Earlier it was like 114. Like there's hot wind coming to me right now. So different from living by the beach. Hopefully this vid is interesting, not normal LA vid. Mobbing and moto! Oh shoot! So, last week I got hit by a car. The guy did it on like pretty much on purpose. So I got a concussion. So I don't really remember that good. My helmet completely snapped. I'll put up a picture. Like I still have a headache in the back of my head. This is like my first day riding. I think it's been well over a week. This is my first day riding since, or like my second day, but like the last days, I was like barely riding because I get a headache quick. But I'm finally getting better. I still have like the shaking movement, still kind of hurts. My neck was like messed up for like 3 days. I could barely move it. But please wear your helmet, guys. And strap your helmet. Like I was just riding and then a car comes up. I look to my side and the car is right here. So this is the line and it's a one lane, yeah. So I'm going this way. He's going the same way, going the opposite direction in the other lane. and he's right, like I look, he's right there, and then he just turns right into me super hard, and then I had one hand on the bike like this, so then I fly straight back and then slam and hit my head, and then cops came. Luckily they didn't impound, but they knew it was all that guy's fault. So they gave insurance and everything, so the cops knew that it was completely his fault. So I'm still recovering. Like, I miss my Ultra B so much because I wasn't able to ride it for the week before we came here. Oh, I spun the thing. Oh, this is like the nicest view ever. So now we're gonna head to the front, guys. Let's see if we can make it back all the way. Keep it up all the way back. I'm just like sliding. It's like I'm drifting. Feels so weird, but it's like so smooth. It's so weird. Made it back. Bro, this rental is so nice. It's like huge. We outside. My first time being out here, like I said, this day like really riding. I don't know if you guys know, but I ended up putting a foot brake on this. It's not hooked up right now because I only have one caliper, so it's either the handbrake or the foot brake. But I'm running handbrake. But right before that, I learned how to hand drag. I don't know if you guys know, I also have a CR80 that I'm building. I'm electric converting right now. So I bought the full CR80 without the engine, and it's in pieces. So I just finished painting it right before we left. CR80 is coming out super nice. The paint came out so nice. You can't go wrong with all glossy black. When I get back, I was thinking, if I build that, ride it for a little, sell it, sell that, sell the R 72 volt R stuff 650, sell this, and sell the 48 volt MX 650. I should have enough money for a Stark Varg. So I can either get that or build a blacked out Ultra B, or get a fully built Light B and polish it with a VTB and make it look like exactly like my Ultra B. Let me know what I should do. I'm also probably gonna get a full face. Right now I'm wearing my old bummy half face, like imagine the SM10. That would go crazy. Alright guys, thank you guys for watching, and stay tuned. Peace out.
Yeah, it ain't nothing new. I'm trying to make an M at 21 and 10 at 22. You can't walk a mile up in my shoe. I ain't nothing like you. You can't walk a mile up in my shoe. You don't do what I do. I'm the living truth, the living proof. You could be whatever. Never wanted fame, I wanted racks. Always wanted cheddar. You could